Hey,
Moon, you know what I said about interrupting my card game?
yes, I'm sorry, yes, but I have urgent news to tell you.
What is it now?
Mars, he's coming towards you.
Mars, you're getting too close. What's going on? Why are you heading straight for me?
Don't ask me, Earth. I've been knocked out of my orbit and now I'm stuck on a collision course with you. It's not like I want this. I'm really upset right now too.
Both of you calm down. This isn't the first time something like this has happened. Remember Earth, you've been hit by asteroids before.
Yes, like the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. But Mars, you're much bigger than that asteroid.
Not that you don't know. I have a diameter of about 6,800 kilometers per hour. Do you know what that means for both of us?
No, it won't be good at all. The gravitational impact alone will be catastrophic. Earth, you must already be feeling massive tsunamis and earthquakes, right?
Yes, my crust is starting to crack and gravity is shifting. It's a nightmare for my inhabitants.
Wonderful, just wonderful. As if being knocked out of my orbit wasn't enough, now I have to deal with this mess.
We have to face the reality of the situation. When two celestial bodies like you collide, the consequences are immense. Earth's tides are already affected by your approach, Mars.
The tides are rising 30 to 50 meters, and things are only getting worse. People are panicking and trying to find shelter, but they can only do so much. Oh, my poor little inhabitants.
If I could stop, I would. But right now I'm hurtling towards you and we're both in big trouble.
It's too late for that. Mars, you're too close now, only 800,000 kilometers per hour away. Your gravitational pull is wreaking havoc on Earth.
My tectonic plates are shifting, and the earthquakes are the worst they've ever been. This is unbearable.
Do you think I'm enjoying this, son? Watching Earth fall apart and knowing I'm the cause, but I can't do anything about it. It's so frustrating.
Emergency assistance is overwhelming. Infrastructure is collapsing, and much of the planet is losing it. The situation is catastrophic.
There's this new technology, microreactors. They're designed to help in emergencies. Maybe they can provide some power and stability?
Microreactors?
Yes, nanonuclear technology has developed these microreactors. They can produce a significant amount of energy quickly, but in this situation, even their capabilities might not be enough.
We have to try. Anything that can help stabilize the situation is worth trying.
Not that we have another choice. We're only 10,000 kilometers per hour apart now. The gravitational pull between us is immense.
At this point, both of you will start to break apart due to the gravitational forces. A collision is inevitable.
I can feel it. My surface is cracking, and the earthquakes are the worst they've ever been. Mars, we're about to collide.
I'm sorry, Earth. I never wanted this to happen.
The collision will generate an immense amount of heat, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. Both of you will be liquefied.
My surface, my life, everything will be gone.
At least we'll disintegrate together, Earth.
The debris from your collision might form a ring around what's left of you, Earth. It's a small consolation, but a part of you will continue to exist.
Thank you, son, for everything.
Goodbye, Earth.
Goodbye, Earth and Mars. You will be remembered.
And so, the collision between Earth and Mars marked the end of an era. Life as we know it was obliterated, but in the vastness of the universe, new beginnings are always possible. This catastrophic event reminds us of the fragility of existence and the ever-changing forces that shape our universe. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel, folks.